What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very, very well. So I was literally about to go and get dressed thinking, oh, I better put something on that's not my dressing gown. And then it dawned on me, none of us can go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Why try and pretend? I'm staying in my bloody dressing gown for, I don't know, until further notice. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be testing out TESCO makeup. Now, I was in TESCO the other day just doing my little weekly shop, picking up my essentials, all that jazz. And literally, as I was walking back towards the tills, I spotted this teeny tiny little makeup counter that had like 5 or 6 different products on there. And evidently, I couldn't help myself. So I picked up some bits and today I'm going to be trying it out. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's not like crazy exciting. Basically, it's a whole load of lip products. And then we also have a liner and a mascara. So it's not going to be anything like pa-pam in your face. But still, I mean, let's face it, we can't go out makeup shopping. So if we can pick up a couple of bits when we're doing our weekly shop, then that's great. So yeah, basically today is all about liner, mascara, and then a whole load of lip products. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on TESCO makeup, please stay tuned. All right, so first of all, let's go through the lip products. So I have a Kiss Proof Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I got that in a red shade, so I'll probably leave that to last. I then have the lip liner pencil in the shade Blush, I think, and this cost me £2.50. I've then got one of these velvet matte lip crayons, and this one here is in the shade Incognito Nude, and this cost me £3. So then we've got another lipstick here. This one here is in the shade Lovely. So it's another nude. It's called the Lip Intensity Soft Matte Lipstick, and this cost me £4.50. So generally, by the looks of things, everything seems to be under a £5. Yeah, because we then got the liner, which costs £3.50, and then the mascara costs £4.50. So before I put any lipstick on, I'm just gonna put on a little teeny tiny little bit of lip balm. Okay, so not gonna lie, this looks a little bit more kind of like pinky than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a bit more of like a neutral color, but actually that still looks all right to be fair. I'm just gonna, oh, it's like a nice kind of like peachy nude. It's quite nice and creamy. I mean, I won't lie, it's not really like my kind of nude. It's definitely a lot more kind of like peachy, yeah, just like peachy orange to me, but it's still a decent liner. In fact, looking at that, I'm actually really kind of liking that. Again, it's not like a nude for me, but a nice little kind of corally shade almost. I quite like it. Oh, you know what? There I was slating the colour, but I'm actually kind of into it. It's like a nice kind of peachy, yeah, peachy peach shade. Peachy peach. Yeah, that's nice. And that was what, like £2? That's a good liner for £2. I mean, it kind of reminds me of the Primark liners actually, which are normally between like £1 to £2. Very, very similar. And I say that as like a good thing because I really rate the Primark liners. Yeah, I don't think I got a bad word to say about that. So then we'll move on to the next lip product, which was this lipstick here. So like I said, it's in the shade Lovely. And do a little swatch of that there. Okay, did I imagine that or did it say it was matte? So it's a soft matte, but definitely looks kind of sheeny. Color looks quite nice though. Let's give it a go. Doesn't really seem to smell of anything either. I mean, it's pretty much like the perfect shade to go with that lip liner, to be honest. It's actually not that much different. It's definitely not matte. It's not like super glossy, but it's definitely more glossy than it is matte. But like, all I would really do is go like that with a sponge, and then like, that's a really nice color for me. It's definitely more glossy than it is matte, so I don't really know where they're getting at with the whole soft matte lipstick. Yeah, again, that's another good one. For the price, around about £4 or so, that's a really nice nude lipstick. I could literally make it into like the perfect Stuffed Tom's lipstick with a little bit of concealer. Actually, no, I kind of liked it before. Yeah, no, that's nice. It's really creamy. It's really opaque. It's lovely. Okay, so now I'm just taking off the rest of that lipstick. I'm just kind of like keeping the liner on. Because now I have this guy here. So this is the Velvet Matte Lip Crayon in Incognito Nude. Ta-da! So let's swatch that one there. Okay, that looks a little bit more like a bit of me. Again though, like it says it's matte. The mirror's the wrong way. It says it's matte, but like it doesn't look as glossy as the lipstick, but it's still definitely not matte. Like the lip line is matte, this is more of like a satin. But I ain't the bloody texture police, so just shut the hell up and put it on. Oh, this is nice. I bet this with like a really cool tone lip liner, that would seriously be my jam. Yeah, not a matte lip crayon, but definitely more matte than the lipstick. Ooh, I really like that color. Again, I can't help it, I have to do it. Lock my lips down. Ooh, I like that color. I actually really kind of like that. It's more pinky than my usual nudes, but I like it. I'm digging this. I think it's probably one of the best products so far. Okay, so now I'm going to take all this off again because it's time to bring out the big guns. So now it's time to try out this bad boy here. So this was the Kiss Proof Matte Liquid Lipstick and I got it in the shade Russian Roulette. Oh, look at that. I don't know why I said that. Okay, this color gets me very excited because it looks a lot like the Colourpop Ariba one, which I love. Okay, so the doe foot is actually one of the flat doe foots, which I actually prefer over like a standard doe foot. And then that looks stunning. That literally looks exactly like that Colourpop one. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, it smells nice as well. It kind of smells like vanilla. Sorry, but how opaque is this? And the most satisfying bit of all. Ooh. I would like to take a moment to appreciate this liquid lipstick from TESCO. That is stunning. I mean, I might even prefer it more than Colourpop. Don't tell them that, but whoa. This is really nice. Like, I'm really into the formula of this. I haven't worn a liquid lipstick properly in like a really, really long time. This feels comfortable. Doesn't feel overly thick, doesn't feel overly drying. It's super matte, but not in like a crumbly kind of patchy way at all. Okay, if you guys just happen to be in the market for a new liquid lipstick, specifically a red one, and if you're in the UK, and if you find yourself in Tesco one day, check this out. Because it's actually freaking great. I literally can't get over this thing. Okay, so now we're going to try the vinyl eyeliner, which says it is 16-hour wear, ultra thin, flexible tip. By the way, in terms of colors for the other products, I'm pretty sure they only had like one color of mascara and one liner, so both black. But for like lip products and stuff, I want to say they maybe had like 5-ish different colors maybe. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Is it like, okay, so it's got like a little wiggly brush. So obviously I've got my macro lens here again, so I'm going to try and do some kind of liner. Let's see how we go. I don't want to do anything too crazy. Okay. Ooh. Just going to try and go around like that. People that do wing liner in one fell swoop are both the most brilliant people in the world and also potential psychopaths. I don't know how you do it. Like, I'm jealous of it, but I don't know how you do it. Okay, so far so good. The nib is a bit weird to work with. It's not like, I don't know, I haven't really used like a brush like this, maybe ever, but if not, at least for a really, really long time, because it's really bendy and kind of bristly, but there aren't bristles, so it's a weird one. And it seems like unless you've got a lot of product on the brush, then it does take quite a bit to apply. Just gonna quickly just add a little bit there. Yeah, it's like, this little bit here, I want it to be sharper. But it's kind of hard to get a sharp line with this liner. Yeah, that's like the sharpest that I can get. I mean, the formula seems okay. I'm just not sure that I'm liking like the nib because it's just a bit kind of like wiggly. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I can't say I'm loving this liner. Like, it's not overly bad as such. It's just like, if you're in a Tesco, you probably have access to the other makeup counters. Yeah, this isn't great. It's not like overly bad, but it's kind of like one of those things where it's like, just go to like the L'Oreal counter, the Maybelline, the Rimmel counter, whatever it is, and like get a liner that you know. This is just a bit like, I feel it on my lid, which normally means it's quite drying, and I don't know if it's going to get at all crumbly or anything, and it's just like, it wasn't the most fun thing to apply, so probably wouldn't recommend this. Not bad, but it's not the best. So last but not least, we have this mascara here. So this is called the Lash Drama Mascara. It says longer looking and defined lashes without clumping. Let's see what the wand is like, because that's what I'm curious about. Okay, so it's a little thin plastic wand. Okay, and so I'm not going to curl my lashes or anything. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, I feel like this might be quite clumpy. I'm just putting it out there right now. Like, I don't mind clumpy. I'm usually more of a clumpy kind of gal than like non-clumpy kind of gal. But like this, I feel like I kind of need to follow up with, I don't know, just like a little mascara brush or something. I mean, that's better. Let's Go on the bottom lash as well. This does make it quite clumpy. I feel like if the bristles were a bit longer, but look at my bottom lashes there. That's a bit much, isn't it? That's a bit much. Yeah? No? That's one of the most clumpiest mascaras I've tried in a really long time. But seriously guys, like I was saying a second ago, I actually really quite like clumpy mascara, but that's actually really crumpy. But that was pretty intense, I think. That's probably more clumpy than I would like. I feel like the product's nice. I just feel like the bristles are too short, so they just end up, you're just plastering this black mascara paste on your lashes instead. Let's try again on this side. Yeah, it's so clumpy. Look at this. My lashes literally look like spider's legs right now. I'm gonna have to really work that through. And it's once you use a different brush, it actually works out a lot better. That's not really what you want from a mascara, really, is it? You don't really want it to be super clumpy and have to use a different brush. Yeah, can't really say I'm a fan of that, to be honest. I mean, the lip products were nice, but these eye products, I'm just not... They're almost there. Change the packaging of the liner into a felt tip pen with a slightly better nib. You're there. Good liner. This, I mean, it seems like a good mascara, but it's just not the right kind of brush because it's such a thick product that it just ends up looking really clumpy. Which is a shame because it's really black and it's really thickening and everything. You can obviously see that I've got mascara on right now. It's just, yeah, the brush isn't great. Overall though, I'm not gonna lie, I am still pretty impressed, especially the liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick was worth buying all of these products just to find this because I'm obsessed with this color. Basically, all the lip products are good, especially this guy here. Oh my God. If there's one thing you buy from watching this video, this is it. It's so good. So yeah, the lip products are good. It's just the liner and mascara that are 75% there. But yeah, they're just not 100%. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully some of you did find it useful because I know I did have a fair few requests about trying out TESCO makeup. Let me know your favorite lip color in the comment section down below and let me know if there's anything else that I missed in the range that you guys want me to try out. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.